somebody said that even if the real Harshad Mehta comes alive in front of us, we'll not be able to accept him because you are the only Harshad Mehta that we know now.
You do whatever you can. You absorb whatever you can from whatever sources, whether it's literary or whether it's meeting people and so on and so forth. But no, I mean, script is our God. We need to follow what's been written because that's what we're bringing to life.
Ankita, you are tuned into peepingmoon.com. Now, this is not a scam. We legit have Prateek and Shreya on the show today. And trust me, no financial jargons are going to be thrown around. They are straightforwardly, dil se dil tak are going to have this conversation with you guys. So, let's ask you both directly. How does right now it sinks in? It's been exactly, if I am not mistaken with my calculation, 1 month, 10 days to the second of the show. And everyone is still talking about. There is no enthusiasm listened or dampened anyone's spirits. How do you feel at the particular moment?
To use, to borrow from your website name, we both are over the moon about it.
But yeah, actually, I mean, and the moment you said it again, that it's just been 1 month and 10 days and still it is going strong. So it gives me goosebumps again now.
It feels like such a long time ago, na? I don't know why. लग रहा है कि like 6-7 महीने तो हो गए, पर no, I don't know what it is.
But guys, like we are nearing the year end and everyone is right now honestly talking about how the year was and, the good work, the bad work, the mediocre work which came out. But out of the blue, you guys came and suddenly there are like, undoubtedly, we have 2 to 3 top web shows this year and you are claiming the spot. I am asking you this because I vividly remember when the show released, there was no promotion. There was such a low-key buzz. I was yet to identify who is playing Harshad Mehta, who is playing Suchita Dalal, just like a trailer. Were you guys even worried that, because you also know in OTT, everyone promotes their show with big aplomb and there is too much pomp and show. Promotions ki kami yahan pe kisi ko nahi khal rahi. But you guys came in very quietly. Was this a strategy or did you guys wanted like the audience first to pick it up and then you wanted to indulge?
I wish, Ankita, I wish we could sound cool and say ki yaar strategy tha, hame pata tha. Nahi, we didn't know. Okay, me and Prateek were superbly tense. We used to talk to each other every day. And like,
what's going to happen here? When are they starting this? What is going to happen? How are they going to take it forward? And if there is a strategy, then the strategy worked wonders.
Exactly, seriously.
But did it guys ever bother you ever at all that it could have also gone unnoticed? Not just I'm saying even if the show is good or bad, but somehow or the other, a certain amount of awareness does help. I have asked this a particular set of actors and they say that no matter what, you cannot escape the ball game of promotions. You have to tell people we are coming because there is so much content flowing every second day on OTT.
I don't know, because the South actually still doesn't promote. They do one audio function and they do one trailer function and that's it. They don't go on like 100,000 interviews and so they are still functioning like that. They still make millions and, their films still work. And I'm not saying it because our strategy काम कर गया, I'm not saying it because it's that, but, why think about what could have happened? It's nice, no? How it happened for us.
All right. Prateek, I'm going to quote your statement, which has definitely made headlines apart from the dialogues, of course. Like yours is definitely not an overnight success story. It's a hard work of 15 long years. And I have to bring in you also, Shreya. If I'm not mistaken, your film journey also started somewhat around like a decade back, like down south also. You started work. Do you both?
We are lambi race ki ghode. Two ghodas.
Two ghodas. But did these two ghodas take a little too long to reach the finishing line? A certain regret, or you are still ready to start the race again?
Yeah, I think I'm ready to start the race again anytime. There is never too late because this industry, I mean, the field is such that there is there is no timelines of anything. Anything can start anytime, and you may never know what makes you next big thing at any age after how many years. So I guess that uncertainty is also the reason for hope.
Also, Pratik is right, yeah, because I feel like we get reset with every project. Every project brings you back to a certain square,
Yeah.
so you have to start from that for every project. So it's yeah.
One thing I remember, the first of the reviews always held was, it's a financial taut script filled with beautiful Bollywood cheesy dialogues. Now tell me, when you were dealing with numbers and stock market, and then here Pratik comes and says, risk hai to ishq hai, all those dialogues, like kahan pe fit kiya aap logon ne? How convincing was it to have such
No,
a
but this is a credit to the writers, director, and the actors as well. Like even the way Pratik said these like punch dialogues, there was no like slow motion and background music suddenly started going high, and he looked a certain way, and then he said the dialogue. He said it like he spoke. So I think that's what made it cooler.
Yeah. So
Pratik, were you convinced when you were mouthing these dialogues, like एक हिंदी फिल्म हीरो वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी कि you were still the हर्षद मेहता?
नो सो ये फीलिंग आना ना बहुत नेचुरल है कि इस टाइप के डायलॉग पे ऐसा बॉल दिया है कि अब तो छक्का मार ही दूं, आगे आके छक्का मार दूं, ऐसा था ना. बट वो टू कंट्रोल दैट टेम्पटेशन, बी इन द कैरेक्टर एंड मेक इट अ रियलिस्टिक लाइन which creates that character. That character, there are a lot of such characters that we meet every day, right? There are a lot of people who talk in one liners. So Harshad was one such character who believed in these thought processes, and it is just not merely words that he was saying. It is his thought process. Risk hai to iske yaar, and that's how these people take risk every day. So when I met those stockbrokers and those people, those who used to work in the ring as jobbers also, you see their risk-taking ability. Their appetite is different. Like few lakhs and few crores here and there is just a matter of their everyday job. We feel कि ऐसे कैसे होता है यार. मतलब हमें कोई 5-15 हजार की भी बात कर ले तो हम 25 बार सोचते हैं कि नहीं यार, जाने दे यार.
When we come to shows like this, guys, a lot of course, research goes, and Hansel is known for his, material bringing on the table. How about you as actors? Is it imperative to meet people who on whom the show is based? Like, Shreya, you still maybe might would have had the chance to meet Suchita, but in case your Pratik, you could only just hear about Harshad and the stories and whatever materials you could procure. Is it
Yeah.
important to meet the particular person in picture or the people related to him or her in person, or you trust with the written material or the bound script in front of you? That's like the holy grail for you.
Yeah, so actually, the script is the final thing for us. That becomes a Gita or Bible for us. Nothing more than the script. Because ultimately, we are supposed to live the character as per the script. Ultimately, the script is going to be the main story that we are going to tell to the audience. So we have to stand true to the story and take it as it is. Absolutely. Though, having said that, meeting people, doing extra research always adds up to it.
And what about you, Shreya?
No, I agree with Pratik. Yeah, as a part of your research and a part of what you're bringing to the table, you do whatever you can. You absorb whatever you can from whatever sources. Whether it's literary or whether it's meeting people and so on and so forth. But no, I mean, script is our god. We need to follow what's been written because that's what we're bringing to life. So yeah, that was our guiding force, guiding light, and our writers and directors were our captains. So.
Pratik, something which stood out in your, I would say, role, and apparently that is, I think, the underlying thought process maybe of every second person who would have seen the show, is it is difficult to hate you. Like the heroism of Harshad Mehta, irrespective whatever, the catastrophic downfall he brought the stock market to, but you cannot ignore the ultimate guts swagger of the man out there. as an actor and someone who has done theater and performed like for so many years, was it difficult for you also to draw the thin line and all hold a moral compass to your character? Were you judging Harshad when you were playing him?
Oh, not at all. That's the first thing that I decided, and I discussed also with Hansel sir, that from no angle, nowhere, that we are going to judge this character. Because if I judge as an actor, then I am priming the audience, and I am taking the audience to that one side. Either I'll make him completely hero, or I'll make him completely villain right from the first frame, which is not the case. The actual idea is to make him human and taking people through his journey. And then there are some bad decisions that he made. There are some good decisions that he made, which eventually landed up in him in the trouble or whatever that he's gone through. But it's his journey that we wanted to travel with.
And Shreya, because you played Suchita Lal's character, the woman who actually took upon herself, to unmask this entire scam going in the stock market. Even for your character, for that matter, were you also holding any kind of, an upright stance throughout that it is supposed to be like this? I have to, follow this particular path.
Yes and no, because again, we were discussing this yesterday in another conversation, but we got very lucky that all of our styles sort of were very collaborative. So we were very in sync with the way we all worked and brought our characters to the table. So when we were on set, we were, in our characters trying to portray the truth. But the minute we heard cut, we were completely back to being Pratik, Shreya, and whoever else was there. So, yes and no, because luckily we all got the same style of work, so it was pretty awesome.
Tell me something, both of you. I hope you both are aware that there was a time, like a couple of weeks back, everyone was taken by surprise when IMDb research throwed out like, okay, you are the top rated show, and Hansel had to step out and say that, listen guys, you're in the top 20. Like, what was it? Irrespective, like amongst the world top 250 watch shows,
I think we're in top 10 now. I think.
Yeah, now as of, I couldn't find exactly the correct rating. But how does
No, because our writers keep us updated. So I think we are at number 8.
How does it feel? Like something, as you shared, just started when you told me कि कुछ expectations नहीं थी, बस jitters थे stomach में कि ये कैसा जाएगा. And now I think across the globe, and it's very rarely we say for an Indian show, across the globe you have an audience who have something to say, whatever it is, but they do have, which means they have seen the show. How does it feel as an artist?
It is very overwhelming. Yeah? I mean, this feels really overwhelming. We, like Shreya said, that we were super duper excited that we are going to be a part of something really good. In the years to come, we'll be able to take pride that we were part of this subject, this story, this team, and this series. But it will blast like a huge bomb across the globe was never in our wildest thought.
Really, what Pratik said, completely. And we're trying to get the rest of the world also to see. We're trying to get the show to them, because there's some parts of the world where they can't access it without doing Harshad Mehta type of illegal activities. But, we're trying to get it to them.
Shreya and Pratik, tell me, has Scam 92 opened the doors for you, however cliche it may sound?
We hope that it just gives us more opportunities to bring more entertainment to you in different roles, different stories, and different characters where you will hate us and love us and be excited for us and champion us. So it has given us more access. People do reply now, they do pick up our calls now, which is a new thing. So hopefully we'll just get more opportunities.
Pratik, you tell me, because I would say, the twist into the Hindi language cinema per se, like coming from theater and then from Gujarati films. How do you take it? Do you think it can also hold the potential of, even if I say there are series which come, which are glorious, with staying hearts, and then suddenly we don't see the artist anymore around. Do you still hold that fear somewhere, or you're raging with fire that, no, I'm going to take this heads on?
No, so yeah, I'm preparing myself to take it head on, to take a lot of things. There are a lot of things coming my way. People are approaching. People are sending good stories also. Good narrations are happening. But what you said is also right. Somewhere that is there in, I guess, in anybody's mind, any actor's mind, that what after this? What if? So that what if is the one sentence that constantly keeps coming to us even after having so many projects. You still have the same thing in mind. इसके बाद क्या? कैसे
Yeah.
होगा? आगे क्या होगा? And I guess that what keeps us on our toes, that makes us prepare harder for anything. So that works also for us.
But do you realize, Pratik, that there is always this burden, which I'm sorry I'm using that word, but you carry it on your shoulders. This will all the performances are somehow going to be boiled down to be compared to the Harshad Mehta. Like Jaideep Alawat sir said in an interview that मैं कुछ भी कर लूं, but अब मुझे पता है कि हाथी राम चौधरी is synonymous to Jaideep Alawat. I cannot separate them. Do you also
Yeah.
hold that kind of fear, or I don't know what the feeling would be like?
So see, right now there is no fear, there is no pressure, there is only excitement, and I want to actually go ahead with this excitement. That with this, I should be able to create some more characters, which can add up to my portfolio. Harshad being on top right now, I actually want to surpass that, create more such characters.
Shreya, something I have to bring it in here. When you came out with a virtual wedding, literally in lockdown, directing it, producing it, and even
Viral wedding.
writing the viral wedding. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Uh, it was hilarious. I did see the show in one go. It was at that time. I remember nobody even thought of it, and by
Yeah.
the time we were thinking of it, you got it, and it
Yeah.
was all over. And after that, of course, we saw many shows being shot in lockdown and stuff. Yours was the first, for sure. Why did you decide to don all the hats altogether? What happened there?
I mean, lockdown में और क्या ही करे? Like I have to do everything. No, I mean it's not like we could meet people, and we shot that in lockdown. मतलब like really completely. None of us met each other. Everything was through video calls and phone calls and whatever they
Both
preferred.
phone
Like
calls and
हाँ जी,
yeah.
Skype, WhatsApp, Zoom, सब मिला के we tried everything. So it was incredible, yeah. And this happened because of my family man relationships, because of Raj and DK, because of the wonderful actors who said yes, and it all just came together and it actually released on a platform. It's still streaming on Eros now, so it's great. Never saw that happening.
I will ask Shreya, the director here. Shreya, the director, is supposed to tell me if Scam 1992 had to be recast. Come on, don't take your both names. Give me an option for yourself and for Pratik. Shreya, the director, is doing a
Another
recast.
option.
Yeah, another option. आप दोनों तो हैं ही हैं.
No way. I
And Shreya,
cannot
you are a
see.
director here. You are a director here.
I know, but like I agree with a lot of people who've given Pratik this compliment. I can't see anybody else in Harshad Mehta. Nobody else can play Harshad Mehta better than Pratik Gandhi. And hello, nobody else can play Sucheta Dalal.
Same.
I was coming to Pratik. Shreya ने पहले ही clear कर दिया कि नहीं कोई और नहीं कर रहा.
No, it's ours. That's it.
But
It's us, period.
But Harshad's story, Pratik, is coming to big screen also by chance. Sometimes it does happen. There is a certain script which, tempts across the mediums, and we have Abhishek Bachchan playing the key role. कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि फिर से एक round of comparisons आएगा, but I would still say it is not the particular kind of comparison, because yours was a series which delved into every particular thing, which is not an easy task to, bring the life from 0 to 100. Abhishek's is more of like a holistic picture, like what exactly the scam was about. But still you fear कि वो एक Bollywood versus OTT comparison you might have to face, or a superstar versus me being the
never
newcomer
thought
comparison.
it. No, I have never thought it this way. These are two absolutely separate medium. And as far as the actor is concerned, so I guess two actors cannot be compared ever. Because we are separate human beings with separate faces, with separate, set of
mannerisms and reactions and
competencies or
process.
whatever, separate mannerisms. I mean, the way I smile, nobody else, and the way he would stand, nobody else. So there is no comparison as such. And any which ways, I mean, he's too senior than me to be compared.
And no, yeah, we wish them the best. We are also
Yeah,
curious to see what they come up with.
because
Honestly.
film as a medium is very interesting. No, they have to tell the whole story in 2 hours. So
Yeah.
that's another challenge that they must be
Yeah.
going through.
Yeah.
Very interesting to know.
Yeah, because now somehow as an audience, it's difficult for me to envision a 10-hour long show which my peers around me debated should have had a season 2. I don't know why they think that it will be Jon Snow and woken up from death and doing a season 2. But that was a huge compliment when I did read. Like, there were fans on Twitters, like, we should have a continuation. And I was wondering, like,
Whoa.
really? From where? What exactly is the continuation going to be like without Harshad?
It'll be Scam 93, Return of the Dead.
Yeah, the director is taking the charge of the conversation. I'm really liking it. But yeah, I have to know, what was the best compliment you two received? Like something which was totally uncalled for, out of the blue, maybe a phone call, maybe from someone which you least expected would, pick up the phone or drop a message and compliment you for this terrific performance of yours, almost like a stealing the thunder this year.
For me, the biggest and the compliment that carries the most weight is obviously from Sucheta Dalal. I mean, what better compliment can you get? I mean, other than the person who you're playing and she completely doesn't hate you and she thinks you're okay. So what better compliment can I get?
Prateek, what about you? Was it from the industry?
Prateek has a small book of compliments.
Yeah, so Prateek has to pick up the best compliment. Prateek, please open the book and tell us.
So one of the best compliments, I guess, I told you last time also, Shreya, that somebody said that even if the real Harshad Mehta comes alive in front of us, we'll not be able to accept him because you are the only Harshad Mehta that we know now. So that's
Prateek.
But that's why can't cast anybody else in Harshad Mehta. It is Prateek Gandhi through and through.
Prateek, there is a video on YouTube I would recommend you to watch. Someone has done a edit of you and Harshad's old interview sitting together. Oh my God, you should see like.
Oh, is it?
How you almost, it's almost you. If I don't know how to explain it. I wish I could show it to you.
I'll have to see that, yeah. I haven't watched it.
It's like someone has clubbed parts of you and parts of his old interviews to financial channels. It's difficult. And I'm not saying just physical resemblance, because I think physical resemblance is not the key particularly. It's about the kind of style you have adapted. It's really remarkable. You should see that one.
I'll have to see that.
We'll see
it. Guys, tell me something. When Hansel reached to you guys with the script, I remember Hansel said it that Prateek, आप तो already confirmed थे उनके दिमाग में. उन्होंने ऐसा ज़्यादा तामझाम नहीं किया था. क्यों? मतलब why? From where did he find you for this one?
From my earlier 2 Gujarati films that he has watched, Beyar and Wrong Side Raju, and one of my plays that he has watched. So that's what he told me, that after watching these 3 things, he said that this is it. He should be doing it. Though I had auditioned for it, which he never saw.
Oh. That's surprising, because normally we do have auditions and the parts. And
I know. Yeah. All our lives we had been giving auditions, and the biggest role of our lives that we got without auditions.
Pata chala, exactly. Pata chala audition ही नहीं देखा.
But Prateek, एक बात बताओ. This is like a personal thing I would like to ask. कैसे engineering छोड़ने का अब regret नहीं होता ना?
नहीं, never. और वैसे मेरा इंजीनियरिंग ऐसा छूटा भी नहीं है. वो है मेरे साथ ही अंदर में. कुछ ना कुछ तो वैसे भी करते रहता हूँ. So yeah.
So it's like, it's always, is it the plan B or is it just like going together?
It's just another passion.
Too many passions.
Yeah.
Shreya, you are a champion of doing scam stories with Cheat India, and then in Family Man also you are busy unveiling the secrets of God knows which other, I would say, the negative sources per se, and now we have scam. What is with you? Why you pick up stories where you have to be this revolutionary girl who's bringing out everything out in the open?
No, I
Tell
have
me.
a very kurkure philosophy. I get attracted to teda hai par mera hai type of stories. What can I say?
In conversation branding हो गया.
Thank you.
I know. We'll expect a bag, huh? For both of us.
हमें सिर्फ एक ही बैग चाहिए बस, बाकी कुछ नहीं हमारा. We are very contented.
I'll do that. But Shreya and Pratik, as artists, is it difficult to get over the? I genuinely have to ask this rejection. That is one question I have, I think, asked everyone in last 8 months. That sometimes when you really believe in a character, maybe in the past or maybe right now also, it's not like everything also changes overnight. We have to. This is the truth of this industry. You might be good in your particular project, but doesn't mean or validate it lands you to the next one. So is this, once you don't get something or once you really vie for something and it doesn't happen for you, does that depression is not the right word, or does the demotivation of it hits you bad?
Not really, actually. Because as I said, I see it differently, and that has helped me. So I want to actually continue seeing it that way. And if things have not worked, then there is something for me to work upon. There is something for me to improve more. And that's how I take these things. So that there are no negativities around me. Because to fight the negativity is very, very difficult.
Don't worry, Pratik. Now you know people don't see auditions.
No.
So you don't have to improve anything. So सब ठीक था. They never saw.
नहीं. So the thing is, अगर गलती से देख लिया तो तो मतलब उधर तो बेस्ट शॉट देना ही देना है.
Yeah.
And
No,
अच्छा, the other thing is, say you may never know what are they watching to decide. So whatever that you do, you constantly have to perform the best.
Yeah, obviously. 10 on 10 always. So yeah, with rejection, I mean, it used to destroy me. I used to lie down on the floor and then look at like my pudi kismat and be like this, like, hey Bhagwan, ye kya ho gaya? And listen to sad songs and do all the drama. But again, like with everything, Pratik and I are firm believers of this, and I think we've lived our life like this also. Nothing but practice, yeah. Practice makes you perfect. So eventually, even that's something is, you get better at even handling the worst parts, and you look at how you can turn that to your advantage. So these things, there are a lot of these things that we have in common, actually.
What Scam 92 did, Shreya and Pratik, was eventually it also started that one particular conversation which was being lying dormant for a long time. Everyone was blaming OTT for having a mediocre content suddenly. Everyone was like that you were making it a dumping ground. You were throwing everything. And I remember Hansel sir said somewhere that it is not like that. It depends upon project to project and story to story. Yeah. You have to treat with the same kind of sincerity you would treat your play or a film or a Broadway production, or for that matter, an OTT. Do you think that with shows like yours, Patal Lok, we didn't have some really good other run-ups this year? We finally have a medium where your so-called, with due respect, stardom will not define what you are actually going to put across to the audience, whichever way the medium is.
Yeah, so I guess this medium has helped audience also to see the performances, the characters, and not the faces. This medium has given that freedom to the makers to experiment with writers, actors, and all sorts of artists for that matter. Everybody, because this is the medium which gives you that freedom. Reason is that there is no pressure to perform on first 3 days. तो फर्स्ट वीकेंड वाला प्रेशर ही नहीं है इसमें, बॉक्स ऑफिस वाला कोई प्रेशर ही नहीं है. एंड हाउ डू यू डिफाइन दैट सक्सेस कि यार नहीं ये बंदा चलेगा, ये बंदा नहीं चलेगा? द ओनली डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर इज द टैलेंट.
Sorry, go on.
No, I'm saying, I was asking you, do you agree with Pratik that
100%.
It's the talent?
100%. Because, and also I want to show off about our show in the sense that I think our show took a lot of risks. Our show, our writers, our director, our wonderful actors, all of my, the whole cast and crew, everybody took that, risk hai to ishq hai line a little too seriously. Kyunki I think we really shattered the very foundation of what people think. कि अगर ये नाम होगा तो चलेगा, कि अगर ये टेक्नीशियन होंगे तो चलेंगे, लाइक ये टॉपिक होगा, इफ इट्स नॉट अबाउट यूथ, अगर बहुत टेक्निकल हो जाएगा, या it should be these fun lighty things, or it should be very with blood and crime and gore, like in a lot of ways what people have been thinking कि ये तो होना ही है, ये तो होना ही है. I think our show has shattered that by in every aspect, whether it comes to the writing, whether it comes to the casting, whether it comes to the hiring of technicians behind the scenes. I feel like our show really has shattered previously held notions, and I've created new foundations for more people, more talented people who are just waiting for that one chance, waiting for that one opportunity behind and in front of the camera. So I hope our show has helped a lot more people in making their dreams come true.
Prateek, there is this lovely compliment. I don't know, have you read on somewhere on your social media? It says that Harshad's performance by Prateek takes us back to Amitabh's 70s young man avatar.
That's a big thing. Yeah, that's a really big thing. People are too generous when they comment such things, but yeah, बहुत बड़ी बात है यार ये तो.
I'm asking you because you very sweetly somewhere ended up commenting that you are genuinely not aiming to be the poster boy. It's perfectly fine till the time you get good parts, and you are not judging the parts if it's the lead role, if it's whatever role. It only depends what the role is, not the length.
Yeah, what the role is and how much it is adding up to the script.
But here
because
people
that's where I get to challenge myself as an actor.
Amitabh Bachchan यार 70 से comparison हो रहा है.
मतलब वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, they are very generous यार लोग. मतलब वो जैसे उनको प्यार हो जाता है ना, फिर प्यार तो अंधा होता है, तो फिर तो यार.
That's not true. You are excellent.
चलिए, I'll wind up with 2-3 fun questions. Now, Bollywood is a stock market. Shreya, whose stock are you going to invest in? I'm not. You have to answer me. Come on, let's be
me
fun.
and Prateek have a deal. I will invest in a certain IPO he floated, and he will invest in a certain IPO I floated. I'm going to invest.
Bollywood stock market. I am
Bollywood
giving
stock
you.
market में. Bollywood stock
market.
Shreya
is already there in Bollywood. She has done one Bollywood film. So I have bought her IPOs. I have bought her stock.
Yeah, he has bought my IPO, and I have bought
investing.
Set है, ये तो set है.
And any other actors whose stock you would want to invest in, like?
All the people who are waiting for a chance to come. All of them.
Those new companies.
Yep, all of them. Startups. We believe in startups.
Tell me, Prateek, wrapping with the last 2 questions with you and Shreya. You have Ravan Leela lined up. Immense excitement because I really want to see what is non-Harshad Mehta. Finally, maybe this will be one of the I don't know what it's going to be like, but imagining you not as Harshad Mehta is anyhow it's a task. But yeah, we are going to do that. But if you could spill anything on that.
So Ravan Leela, yeah, I'm super duper excited about Ravan Leela, and the good part is that it is happening after Scam, though it was decided to be released early this year. मतलब मार्च अप्रैल के आसपास का ये कुछ रिलीज प्लान था, which could not happen because of this lockdown and everything. So better thing is that it is happening after Harshad Mehta. So like, there are a lot of people who are waiting that how am I going to perform anything apart from Harshad Mehta.
Yeah.
So good that it is coming so soon. And थोड़ा अलग कलर और ये देखने मिलेगा. A very dear project to me because it is my first Hindi film as the lead protagonist. So yeah, I'm super duper excited for this.
हम premiere में देखेगा, and I'll take tickets to tear and dance in the front row.
Prateek, Sucheta did answer that question. I'm going to take it to you for your last one. That did anyone from Harshad Mehta's family or anyone ever reached out to you to even, I'm not saying compliment, but express a certain kind of expression? What was their take?
We have not heard anything from the family yet.
We've heard from Sucheta Dalla and Devashish Basu who love the show. And we've also heard from Madhavan's daughter, the late, great Mr. Madhavan's daughter, who's also loved the show. So that's pretty great.
And share lockdown to khatam hai with no giving you the reasons to not say yes or no to it. When is the next director will coming? When is Shreya the director coming back?
Oh, hopefully, I don't know, sometime soon, because I constantly do write. So if somebody does give me the opportunity, I will definitely jump onto that horse again.
How about a viral wedding ka part 2? We have the honeymoon diaries and the fights impending. How to take about them?
I know, right? That's a good idea. You should ask Eros guys this. This is a good idea.
But guys, thank you so much for the lovely conversation.
Thank you.
I think after a long time, I could sense there's so much happiness around a show, the protagonist, and the love which is pouring in from all the parts of the world. It is commendable. I have to give it to you. As I said in the starting, chupke se aaye the aap log, but right now, there is no one who is not talking about Scam 1992, and I think that defines the success. What started for me as a show towards the end of it is billed as the best show of the year. So there is nothing more I can say to conclude this.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And wishing you all the success. And Prateek, as I said, अब रावण लीला के time पे मिलते हैं तब आप. I would like to see what is not so Harshad Mehta about Prateek Gandhi will be the next project of ours.
Oh, soon enough. Let's do that. That'll be fun.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
For your time.
Thank you. See you. Bye.
Bye.